Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a silhouette in Photoshop. So first of all, what you have to do is open any image in Adobe Photoshop. Now what you have to do is select your subject from photo. So once you select your subject, what you have to do is select the masking button here. So once you mask your object, then what you have to do is click on the plus icon to create a new layer and place the new layer just below the original image, and then go to the left panel and find the bucket tool. If you cannot find the bucket tool, what you have to do is find this tool, gradient tool, long click and click on paint bucket tool. Select the bucket tool and then select a white color. From here, select white color and click on the empty space to make it white background. Now after making background white, what you have to do is create again a new layer by clicking on this plus icon. So place it above the photo, the original image. So after that, what you have to do is press and hold the control key on your keyboard and select the black and white layer. After selecting that, what you have to do is select the black color, select the bucket tool and click on the image. Now as you can see, the outline is not perfect, because if you take some time and make it perfect and make it neat and clean, then you will be able to make a perfect silhouette in Photoshop. So hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.